us to talk about is going back through what we just did. So who can tell me what was the whole purpose of this activity? What were we trying to do?
See if it would be easier for us to solve the problem.
And ultimately, what did we wind up with?
A lot of writing.
A lot of writing. So constructed response type writing, right? So what did we do in the first step? In the first box that says question, what did we do in that particular box? We wrote down the important facts out of the question. And then what did we do under claim, which we said was the same thing as solving? What did we do there? We solved the problem. And what did we find when we went from, or what did you find specifically when you went from question to claim? What did you notice with how the problem was laid out? Because remember, you had to do something here. What did you figure out?
Oh, I had wrote the question wrong.
Have written the question down wrong, okay? And then we came up with the process that we used, and then what did we do when we got to evidence? Because we did that piece kind of together. So what did we do? And where did all of this come from? All of these words? Solving the problem. And so those became our vocabulary words, right? And then what did we do in this last piece? We explained what we did using what? Vocabulary words, okay? Do you notice that you use any transition words from like literature class, like first, I did this, next, after? So we didn't use that this time. The next time we can use those things, okay? So give me your feedback, your honest feedback about the evidence-based writing strategy in math. How do you feel this went for you? Like if you were asked to do a constructive response question and you remembered this process, would this make it easier? Because I see a lot of kids clicking and saying, I don't know, as soon as they come to it. I hope y'all don't do that. Do y'all do that on the constructive response? Did you do it? Okay. You're one of the ones that just say, I don't know. So if now you go through this process and you can get to this, tell me what you think. It's easier?
It is easy, especially this part because it helps you take out the keywords.
That's easy. That part is the easiest part for you?
So you know this,
Cool. So think about your classmates. Is this something that your classmates will find useful? Some of them.
I feel like some of them is gonna be like, oh, it's too much work, and some of them it's gonna make it easier for them.
Yeah, it's work, but you get to figure out if you're even doing it right. And by the time you get down here, you checked it like 3 times, right? So is there anything that you guys suggest that we change? Like if I give this to the teacher and say, hey, let's do this, is there anything we need to add or anything we need to change from a student perspective? Do you like how it's laid out?
Yeah.
That it's just the 4 boxes? Okay. So yeah, so we're not gonna put I don't know next time we get there. Okay. So I'm gonna ask Ms. Rhoden to do this in class, but I'm gonna count on you guys to kind of help facilitate that process since y'all know how to do it. Is that cool? Okay. All right. So make sure your name is on that, and I'm gonna keep that to share with Ms. Rhoden, and then she and I are gonna meet next period to talk about what you guys did. Okay. Thank you.